There we go.
Is it going now, dude?
Yes, it is.
Hey.
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 Okay.
Hey.
So we had the genius idea of deciding. I was supposed to sing for Tumblr, and I decided to bring Jude on me, and I didn't tell him.
I've been dragged.
You've been dragged into this. I didn't tell you. Oh well. We're apparently well, he decided I'm singing A Whole New World from Aladdin.
Why not?
Yeah. So I'm dedicating this to Rain.
Rain.
Hi, Mom. Okay.
Mom,
I'm gonna be Aladdin, and Jude's gonna be Jasmine. Or
this was the month I think I cried.
Or Judeman. Alright. I haven't heard this. The last time I heard this song was about 2 minutes ago. So, and the last time before that was like 5 years ago. So let's do this. Okay.
Alright.
I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, now when did you last let your heart decide? I can open your eyes, take you wonder by wonder, over sideways and under, on a magic carpet ride. A whole new world, a new fantastic point of view. No one to tell us no, or where to go, or say we're only dreaming.
A whole new world, a dazzling place I never knew. But when I'm way up here, it's crystal clear, and now I'm in a whole new world with you.
Now I'm in a whole new world.
Unbelievable sight, indescribable feelings, soaring, tumbling, freewheeling through an endless diamond sky. A whole new world.
Don't you dare close your eyes.
100,000 things to see. I'm like a shooting star, I come so far, I can't go back to where I don't know the part, shit. Continue.
Woof.
Woof.
Dude, a whole new world. Turn the surprise.
I'm gonna go listen to this song.
Dude, no, we have to keep going. Keep it going.
How does that part go?
Every turn a surprise.
This is your turn.
Dude, it's bruh.
You know what?
No, we can do it. Here.
Every turn a surprise.
With new horizons for you.
Every moment.
Oh God, how are we gonna do the both part? Shit.
I don't know.
I'll do the first line, you do the second, and I'll do the third. I'll chase them anywhere.
There's time to spare.
Let me share this whole new world with you. A whole new world.
A whole new world.
That's where we'll be.
That's where we'll be.
A thrilling place.
A wonderful place.
A wonderful.
I tried to say wondrous and I said wonderful.
For you and me.
That was horrible.
Hey, at least we did it. Hey.
I said we take a take two.
Oh my God, you want to do the song? Hey. Take two for Rain. Yeah. Alright. Okay. What did I say last time? Okay. A whole new world from Aladdin. and me and Jude are singing it. I'm singing Aladdin.
You promised to sing this, and you dragged me. That's what happened.
Yeah, he doesn't. I promised to sing, and then I forgot, and I was like, "Hey, Jude, do you want to sing?" And I didn't tell him that I was dragging him into this.
Yeah.
So
I've been lied to.
So I'm singing Aladdin's part. He's singing Jasmine's part.
Guys.
Yee. Okay. You ready, Jude?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, now when did you last let your heart decide? I can open your eyes, take you wonder by wonder, all the sideways and under on a magic carpet ride. A whole new world, a new fantastic point of view. No one to tell us no, or where to go, or say we're only dreaming.
A whole new world, a dazzling place I never knew. But when I am way up here, it's crystal clear that now I'm in a whole new world with you.
Now I'm in a whole new world with you.
Unbelievable sights, indescribable feelings, soaring, tumbling, wheeling through an endless diamond sky, a whole new world.
Don't you dare close your eyes.
100,000 things to see.
Hold your breath, it gets better.
I'm like a shooting star, I've come so far, I can't go back to where I used to be.
A whole new world.
Every turn a surprise.
New horizon pursue.
Every moment gets better.
I'll chase them anywhere.
There's time to spare.
Let me share this whole new world with you. A whole new world.
A whole new world.
That's where we'll be.
That's where we'll be.
A thrilling place.
A wondrous place.
For you and me. That was a lot better, except for that one.
That was a lot better.
Yeah. Nice. Alright. Yeah.
Okay, I'm recording it right now. There, it's recording as we speak.
Hi. Alright. Ready, Jude?
Hi. Yeah. Not really.
Shut up. There to the rush of day, when the heat of the rolling wind can be turned away. An enchanted moment, and it sees me through. It's enough for this restless warrior just to be with you.
And can you feel the love tonight? It is where we are. It's enough for this wild-eyed wanderer that we got this far.
And can you feel the love tonight? It's how it's laid to rest. It's enough to make kings and vagabonds believe the very best.
There's a time for everyone. I don't know how the melody goes.
There's a time for everyone, if they only learn that the twist and kaleidoscope moves us all in turn. There you go. Judge. Oh. You're just having a fucking song sing for you? Are you for real?
Maybe. I want the music play. I'll sing along with it. I can't do this alone.
Oh my god.
There's a time for everyone. If they only learn that the twisting of life moves us all in turn. There's a random reason to the wild outdoors, and the heart of the Christmas sweet and time of yours. Okay, close enough.
You had that. At least I didn't do the fucking lyrics too. Shit.
I have the lyrics. It's just I'm really bad with this melody.
Dude.
I don't know why. I just can't sing this song.
Dude. Touch with your face.
It's too slow for me. That's what happens. Lays on the floor.
Believe in yourself.
No, I can't believe in myself. The song.
Believe in yourself. You ready, dude?
Yeah, sort of.
So, we decided to sing something else again, and one of the songs I jokingly picked was Can You Feel Love Tonight? Yeah.
I thought you wanted to sing the song!
Oh no, I wanted to sing it. It was just like, hey Jude, do you want it? It was just, I didn't think you'd say yes. So,
I agreed to everything. You should know that by now.
Thank you. So we're singing Can You Feel the Love Tonight by Elton John, and you probably know this song in The Lion King, actually. Ready, Jude?
Sort of. Go.
There's a calm surrender to the rush of day, when the heat of the rolling wind can be turned away, an enchanted moment, and it sees me through. It's enough for this restless warrior just to be with you.
And can you feel the love tonight? It is where we are. It's enough for this wide-eyed wanderer that we got this far. And can you feel the love tonight? It's where we are. Wait. You read that?
Yeah. I was like, wait a minute. Because something caught my attention and I just had to fucking look away for a minute. Shit. Hey, at least this time I fucked up, unlike you in the last recording.
Lies on board.
You fucked up in the last recording, so...
The last one was a practice, so it shouldn't count.
No, the before recording when we were singing not Aladdin.
Oh yeah,
remember you fucked up that one majorly and I fucked up this one majorly. Alright. Where the fuck was I? How it's laid to rest. It's enough to make kings and vagabonds believe the very best.
I forgot.
Goddamn you.
I forgot how this goes.
You want me to sing this?
Please.
There's a time for everyone if they only learn that the twisting kaleidoscope moves us all in turn. There's a rhyme and reason to the wild outdoors when the heart of the star-crossed Voyager beats in time with yours. And can you feel the love tonight? It is where we are. It's enough
for this wide-eyed wanderer that we got this far.
Oh, it's my turn? I thought you were singing twice, because I sing twice.
Oh, you want? Okay, I'll sing the second part. And can you feel the love tonight? How it's laid to rest. It's enough to make kings and vagabonds believe the best.
It's enough to make kings and vagabonds believe the very best.
I feel like we should do that again.
Too bad, we already sing it twice.
Damn it, okay.
Huh?
Well, close enough. This is close enough.
Yeah.
Alright.